To mark the occasion of Men's Day, the Vagina Museum published an interesting Twitter thread that detailed a list of male doctors and researchers after whom the parts of the female reproductive tract are named. The now viral thread also claimed that there are no parts of the gynecological anatomy named after women. The thread starts with Gabriele Falloppio, an Italian physician after whom fallopian tubes are named. The list also named British-American gynecologist Alexander Skene, the namesake of Skene's glands. The thread explains Skene glands as a pair of glands on either side of the urethral opening which secretes a fluid during arousal and orgasm. Dutch physician Reinier de Graaf, who is credited with discovering the Graafian follicles, now called ovarian follicles, German physiologist Johannes Peter Muller, who discovered Mullerian ducts, and James Douglas, credited with discovering the pouch of Douglas, a pouch-like organ formed between the rectum and the uterus, were named in the thread along with many others. So far, this thread has over hundreds of thousands of likes. Interestingly, along with recognizing the significant discoveries done by the above-mentioned physicians and doctors, netizens used this thread to talk about female doctors whose contributions have been historically neglected. People also spoke about how surgeons like Marion Sims, regarded as the father of gynecology, often indulged in unethical medical practices that involved experimenting on enslaved black women. The Vagina Museum is a museum dedicated to vaginas, vulvas, and the gynecology. It is located in London's Camden Market in UK.